Hello guys, my name is Faith. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be reviewing a Shopkins Fashion Spree ballet collection. So let's just get to the opening. I'm finally going to get these out of the package. I only bought this like a couple days ago. Yeah, I got to be careful because I nail polish. I painted my nails. They got pretty. This is getting out of the package. Come on, just get out of the package. Trying not to rip it up. I want to look at the names of these guys. Finally, I got it out. Okay, let's look at these guys' names. Guess the package will be in the background. So, here's like a little table thingy to put your Shopkins on. And then this Shopkins name is Tiara. Okay. So we got lipstick. Let's see what the name is. Her name is Lippo. That's kind of a funny name for a lipstick like her. Okay. This one looks kind of cute, so let's see what it is. Music Box. That's her name. So here's some kind of satchel thing. Her name is Duffa. Okay. Let's just get her out of the way. And I think I know her name. Pretty sure. Yep. I've seen her before. This is how to open, guys. There goes the thingamajiggy. This is Tutu Cute. Shopkins are cute. And I know who he is. Pretty awesome. This is Piano Man. It's a pretty big Shopkin. And pretty kind of small piano. Who would make a piano like that? Probably for like little kids. Okay, these dance shoes are named Teeny 1 and Teeny 2. No, this one's Teeny 1, and this is Tiny 2. So they're two dance shoes. Okay, so those are the little two dance shoes, and next the accessories. Here's a little couch. Oh, I just dropped it. Here it is. Put the dance shoes on. And reverse. There we go. And here's this big thing that fell out. A little cardboard inside. Oh, that's cool. Here's a little piano, and you can open it and see what's inside. But there's nothing inside. At least you can store one of your Shopkins inside. And it has there's little feet right there. And then it opens like that. You already saw what it is. And then the piano keys and the little note thing. I don't really know. Let's scooch everything over so you guys can see. Okay. So, I'll show you what I got again. I got this piano thing, and I got these got these 2 dance shoes, Teeny 1 and Tiny 2. And then I got this couch thingamajiggy. And then I got Piano Man. And then I got Tutu Cute. And this is Duffa. And this is Music Box. And this is Lippo. And this is Tiara. And this is the little thing that Tiara was standing on. So, this is what I reviewed today. So, I'll see you guys when I upload another video on YouTube. See you guys later. Bye.